understood why some knights felt the need to carry two swords. Move well. Great beast of a woman. You shouldn't grimace before your lunch. It gives away the game.